Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Steam login problems with the new Steam UI. So let's begin. So as you can see, we have the new Steam UI out right now and it's like this one. But if you are one of the people who are having login problems with this one, then I have a very simple solution for you. So let's get to it right away. So the solution is very simple. All you have to do is go into your start menu and from here type in time and click on change the date and time in your system settings. Click it right here and all you have to do is disable this right here for just a minute or maybe 2 minutes. You'd wait for that, then after that then you need to enable it again. Just like that, all you have to do is just wait a bit after enabling it back again, and all you have to do is go close this, and all you have to do now is log into your Steam. That's basically it on how you can solve this problem. It's very easy. So yeah, think later. Thank you very much.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.